a deal. The doctor. Come on down, Vincent. Hey, Vincent, welcome to the show. How you doing, sir?
Hey, thank you. Doing great.
Vincent, what do you do?
Yeah, so right now I was a U.S. Army veteran.
A big round of applause.
Yes. After that, the military sent me to school to be a respiratory therapist.
Right. Oh, well, nice to meet you, sir. Nice to meet you. Now, we got a little something for you. This mini curtain. Jonathan has a sound effect clue. Listen carefully. So, what does that sound like?
He sounded sick.
He sounded like he needed a respiratory therapist. Someone said a car wash, someone said a fishing trip, someone said it could be a ski trip.
Oh, yeah. A vacation, huh?
So you can take this or $1,300.
Oh, wow. I'll go for the deal.
The curtain?
Yes, the curtain.
Before we offer you this curtain, Tiffany Coyne is just chomping at the bit to bring you this envelope.
Oh!
Now.
Man, she just wants camera time. It's like, put me on camera. So, Vincent, before we open your curtain, you can go with Tiffany's envelope if you like.
Wait.
Yes.
You know the saying, happy wife, happy life? I have to ask my wife first.
So,
We'll go for the envelope.
let's see what you didn't take. A luxury ski trip to Vermont.
You could have spent 3 nights at Smuggler's Notch Resort in Vermont. You would have enjoyed mountainside lodging accommodations plus complimentary lift tickets with access to the resort's 78 pristine ski trails, nightly entertainment, and more. Round trip airfare was included in this deal worth $7,285.
Oh, so no trip to Smuggler's Notch for you. What?
I like the way you say that.
Smuggler's Notch. That's the name of the resort. What's in the envelope? It is a Zong.
It's a pop-up car. This deal's worth no.
Vincent, I'm so sorry, sir.
Thank you.
Give a big round of applause. Who wants to make a deal?